Hi, welcome to my channel, Sarah's Creative Corner. Join me and my family as we cook, paint, travel, and discover life while sharing our adventures with you.
Hi, today on Sarah's Creative Corner, we are peeling potatoes using Breville Sous Pill and Dice food processor. We got this food processor for our family this past fall before my daughter's wedding. We were getting ready to make lots of scallop potatoes for the wedding, and I wanted to try the food processor to see if it would help with slicing potatoes. I was pleasantly just surprised to find out that it also peeled potatoes and surpassed my expectation. As I am showing here in this demo, you can see that it just peels the peeling off pretty fast. One of the tips that I would give is that they need to be fairly uniform potatoes. If they have some crevices or are really irregularly shaped, you might find that it doesn't get all the peeling off. Here I've done about 20 seconds, and you can see that one over on the left hand side is somewhat irregularly shaped, and there was a piece that did not get peeled off, but that the rest of the peeling came off very easily. The next couple I'm just going to put 2 in because that's all that I needed for this recipe, and I'm going to put it for 25 seconds. Push go again. One of the things I love is how easy the cleanup is on this. You can take it over, rinse it out. Usually I can do 2 or 3 batches of potatoes with about 4 small potatoes, 3 larger potatoes in each time. After doing about 9 different potatoes, I will have to go in and just rinse it out, but it takes seconds to rinse out. It rinses out so fast. Here you can see that I've rinsed it out. I'm going to go ahead and peel these potatoes again. Larger potatoes usually take 20 to 25 seconds. Smaller potatoes I've gotten by with as little as 15 seconds, and you can see there on the right hand side the potatoes that I have peeled. There's a little bit of peeling left, but goodness, it saves so much time. If you're interested in a Breville Sous food processor, check out my link on Amazon and check out our other videos where we make french fries, julienne, scallop, and hash brown potatoes. And we'll see you on our next video. Thanks so much for watching.